Welcome to Animax tutorial. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, and if you like the videos, give like and share. So today we are going to learn about logarithms. So what is logarithm? If a to the power of n is equal to x, where a and x are positive integers and a is not equal to 1, then we define log ax base ax is equal to n is a logarithm of x to the base a is equal to n. So we read this log base ax is equal to n as log base a x is equal to n. So in normal exponents, if I go with the normal exponents, a to the power of n is equal to x is a formula to find an exponent value, right? So converting these exponents in terms of a logarithm, log base a x is equal to n. If you take one example here, that is 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8. We know that 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8. So I need to convert this 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8 in terms of logarithms. So as per the formula, so here if I compare this with the 2 is nothing but a, next n is nothing but 3, and x is nothing but 8. So based on these values, now what is formula here? Log base ax is equal to n. Now you can write this one as log a value is 2, x value is 8 is equal to n value is 3. So like this we are converting any exponents in terms of logarithm. Now if I take another example, that is 3 to the power of 2 is equal to 9. We know that 3 square is equal to 9. Now if I want to convert this 3 square is equal to 9 in terms of logarithms, as per your formula, you can write as log, if I compare this a is equal to 3, n is equal to 2, x is equal to 9. Now if I write this in a logarithm, we can write this in as log base 3, 9 is equal to 2. Hope you understand this, how to convert this logarithm, the exponents in terms of logarithm. Now coming to your properties of logarithms. Now these properties are very much important to solve any problem of a logarithms. Now what is first property here? Log xy. Now I can write this one as log x plus log y. Now if I go for the second property, log x by y, we can write this one as log x minus log y. Next third property is log x to the power of m, we can write as m log x. Next fourth property is log base a is equal to 1. Next fifth property is log base a1 is equal to 0. Next sixth property, a log a to the power of log base an is equal to n. Next seventh property is log base a power x b is equal to 1 by x log base a b. So for this you have another formula also, that is log base a to the power of x b to the power of y, we can write as y by x log base a b. So these are the properties of logarithms which is useful to write any solve any problems of the logarithms. Now so previously we have learned about what is logarithm and its a formula, and we have also learned about the properties. Next we are solving problems based on that formula. So here write the value of log base 25 5, means I need to find the value of this. Now as per your formula, log a to the power of x is equal to n, we can write as log base a n is equal to x, right? Now here you have this value, that is log base a n. What we need to find? You have to find the value of x, means you are denoting this complete value as log 25 to the power of 5 is equal to x. Log base 25 5 equal to x. Now as per your formula of exponents, you convert this log base a n is equal to x as a to the power of x is equal to n. Now a stands for your 25, x stands for your n, next, and so on. So we can write this one as 25 to the power of x is equal to 5. Now this gives the result 25 you can write as 5 square is equal to 5 to the power of 1. Now you can cancel this 5. You'll get a 5 2 to the power of 2x is equal to 1. This implies x is equal to 1 by 2. So like this you are finding the value of any logarithms. And if I go for the second example here, so log 81 3 means log base 81 3. Now we can write this as, we are assuming this total value as x. Now as per your formula, that is a to the power of x is equal to n. This implies log base a n is equal to x. Means we have this value. You need to convert this in terms of a power x is equal to n. So I can write this one as 81 power x is equal to 3. So this implies 81 is nothing but 3 to the power of 4x is equal to 3. So 3 to the power of, if you don't have any power, just you assume this as 1. Now cancel your bases, as we have learned in your previously, that is bases of any exponents are equal, means you can cancel it. Next we will get is 4x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by 4. So like this we are finding the values of any logarithms. Now if I go for the another example, another problem, that is log base 10 0.01. so in a decimal points. Now if I solve in a decimal, we can assume this as x, right? Now after assuming this as x, as per your formula a power x is equal to n, we can write this as log base a n is equal to x. Now you have this value, convert this in terms of exponents. I can write 10 to the power of x is equal to 0.01. Now 0.01 I can write this as 1 by 100. That is 10 to the power of x is equal to 1 by 10 square. This 10 square I can write as 10 to the power of minus 2. That is 10 power x is equal to 10 power minus 2. Now cancel your base, as the bases are equal. So x is equal to minus 2. So like this we are finding any decimal points. Right? Now if I take the another example, that is 2 to the power of 2 plus log base 2 3. Right, this fourth one. Now how to solve this one? Now to solve this one, just to expand this, split your term, that is you can write this as 2 to the power of 2 into 2 to the power of log base 2 3. As per your formula x to the power of m plus n, we can write as x to the power of m into x to the power of n. So based on that, 2 square is nothing but 4 into 2 power log base 2 3. Now we have a formula here, a power log a n, we can write as n. Now here complete value is nothing but 3, that is 4 into 3 is nothing but 12, right?